Welcome to our channel. If you want to remove saved posts on Instagram, follow these step-by-step instructions to organize your saved content and manage your collections. Step 1. Open the Instagram app on your mobile device and log in to your account. Step 2. Tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner to navigate to your profile page. Step 3. Tap the menu icon with 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner. Step 4. Select Saved from the menu options to view all your saved posts organized by collections. Step 5. Navigate to the All Posts collection or any specific collection where you want to remove content. Step 6. Tap on the saved post you want to remove to open it in full view. Step 7. Tap the bookmark icon below the post to unsave it. The icon will change from filled to outlined, indicating the post has been removed from your saved items. Step 8. Alternatively, press and hold on any saved post in the grid view and select Remove from Collection to delete it directly. Step 9. If you want to delete an entire collection, tap on the 3 dots next to the collection name and select Delete Collection. Step 10. Confirm the deletion and all posts in that collection will be removed from your saved items. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.